Now we'll tour the inside of the Barney Smith passenger cars behind the Sioux Line number 500 FP7. This is going to be quick, but you'll get the picture. In the background you might be able to hear a local CN northbound passing through Ladysmith. These cars used to be a lot messier a couple years ago. Not sure what this is. I think this is a casket for a bum or something. I don't know if any of these chairs in here are original. Probably not. This looks like I'm in a baggage car. The chairs look a little bit modern for this car, but it's something. At least they're Sioux Line burgundy. Must have been a combo car, because now we're actually in the passenger portion of it. Is that scary guy? Woo! Oh, I love this bum picture in the back of the door here. I can't show it because the door is stuck. You can kind of see. I believe this is actually a favorite and famous hobo from the area that drew this picture, and they preserved it. It says 1287 coal train. Unfortunately, the next car is not open, so our little journey will end right here.